guys, welcome to the last video of 2019. So this video I wanted to do like a time capsule. I've seen a couple of other YouTubers do it. I often find myself looking at my old videos and just seeing how far I've came with my video production, like quality wise, and it makes me just think about how I started making videos and the times that I was going through in those videos, and I wanted to just make this video for myself, to myself. Not doing it for views, just doing it for future Tracy. I'm also going to be asking myself a couple of questions in this video, so am I making this public or am I keeping it private? I'm probably going to just put it public. Like, what the hell? Like, I talk to myself all the time, so... You guys are there, like, I know you guys are watching this, but I don't see you guys, so it's like I'm often talking to myself. Even when I'm driving in the car, like, I talk to myself. I'm such a loser. I'm going to be asking myself some questions that I'm going to answer in going into 2021. So I'm going to talk to myself. If you guys are interested in seeing me talk to myself, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Hi Tracy. I wanted to make this video because, well, I've already said it in the intro. This year, you found it easier to speak to a camera, and it's not easy as it may appear to the other person on the other end. It has become a lot easier to speak to the camera because at the end of the day, whoever's judging me, whoever doesn't like me, is still watching your videos, girl. Like, don't worry about it. You're getting a view whether people are liking you or not. Stop getting into your head. Hopefully, like, you're in a better headspace. But this year, what you learned is just to not live inside of your head and just do whatever is making you happy. If making videos makes you happy, then just keep doing it. Remember why you started making videos, okay? You started in an apartment in Pennsylvania, and you did it because you were lonely. It's sad. Because you're still lonely. At the end of your day, with your kids, with your boyfriend, cleaning, cooking, dropping off kids at school, picking them up, taking them to a doctor's appointment, dentist appointment. After your long day, you enjoy making videos because it's your time to play with makeup, and that's how you have to see it. You have to keep enjoying what you're doing. Just remember to take it easy, take a deep breath, because anxiety and depression are going to be in your life for good. You just have to be able to deal with it and put your big girl pants on because you got this. So, 2019, you're still with Cody, and you've been with him for about 8 years now, which is crazy because you want to chop his head off half of the time. When you look back at this, you're still going to be with Cody, so just let me know how you guys are doing. What fight did you guys have that made you lose your shit in 2020? Let me know. As of 2019, I think, let's see, what was our biggest fight this year? Out of the many. You have to take it easy on him. You really do. We just fight about the littlest things all the time, and I think it's because I'm taking out my stress on him, that since I have to deal with everything in the house and trying to do my work, he gets home and I just start to vent to him and cry to him and just throw out all of my emotions onto him, and it doesn't make our relationship any better. So take a chill pill. I want to compare where I'm at with my platforms so you can see the comparison from now to the time that you're watching this. Currently on Instagram, you have 35,600 followers, and on your TikTok, you have 55,400 followers on your TikTok, and on your YouTube, you have 5,310 subscribers on your YouTube channel. I'm on all platforms, girl. You gotta give me some time. Hopefully you start learning how to use Twitter in 2020, because everyone's on Twitter. I just feel like I'd get in a lot of trouble if I used Twitter, so I just I don't know if that's a good idea in 2020. On your Facebook, you have 4,310 people following your beauty page. On your Pinterest, you have over 10,000 views a month. So, gotta get those views up, girl. How do you feel about what you're doing here on YouTube or on your Instagram, on all your social media platforms? How are you feeling about it? Currently, you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed with the space that you're living in. It's not your ideal place, but you have been in worse places and not being able to pursue what you want to do. So you have to just remember that this is temporary and you're always going to move forward and things are always going to change. So you just have to work hard and better days are coming. You just have to wait and see. And when I say that, you have to remember that in 2018 you were basically homeless and you went through really hard times. Look at where you are now, compare it to where you were in 2018. Slowly you are going to get to where you want to be if you continue to work hard doing this that you love to do. You love it. You get to sit down and play with a bunch of makeup that brands send to you for free. And you put it on like that. Girl, have you worked out? Do you feel a little more confident? Because let me tell you, you started off in 2019 going to the gym. You lost 10 pounds and you were feeling good. You were feeling yourself. And then towards the end of the year, you just decided to hibernate. No mames. Started eating a lot of burgers and chili cheese dogs and... Listen, 2020, summer 2020, how you looking? Have you made any friends in 2020? Do you still spend hours talking to your best friend Vanessa on the phone? How many times did you see Brittany this year in 2020? Because in 2019, you only seen her one time, but she finally finished school, so you should be seeing her more in 2020. What was the funnest thing that you did in 2020? In 2019, you took your kids to Legoland twice. And that was definitely a good experience because both of your kids loved roller coasters. There was like only one or two, but they loved them. What have you done for your depression or anxiety in 2020? In 2019, you started going to the gym, and that was like your peak at when you started growing a lot on Instagram. You have to remember, when you're feeling good about yourself, it's gonna show through camera, and you have to really stay motivated and feel happy, feel good about yourself. And speaking of happy, are you happy? Currently, I find myself asking myself that now in 2019, and it's really hard for me to answer because I feel like something is missing and I don't know what it is. I'm still trying to discover it. So have you discovered it? What kind of cell phone do you currently have? This year you decided to upgrade. This year is the iPhone XS. All of 2019 you really wanted an iMac and Final Cut Pro X. Did you get it in 2020? I'm going to set some goals for you in 2020, and I want to know, going into 2021, whether you accomplish them in the year. By the end of 2020, I want to reach at least 100K on Instagram. I also want to reach 10K on my YouTube channel and 200K on my TikTok, because I feel like that one I can definitely do. Crossing my fingers. For personal goals, I want to lose some weight, at least 15 pounds. Let me go weigh myself. Let me see how much I weigh. Okay, girl. You just weighed yourself and you're in shock because this is definitely your heaviest. Prior to this, 130 pounds was your heaviest. So now, girl, you really gotta lose it. You gotta lose more than 15 pounds. You have to lose 20 pounds now. You currently weigh 134 pounds, girl. Put down the freaking burgers. Put down the potato chips. You got work to do. 20 pounds. Don't forget it. You're 134 right now, you McFat. Okay, I'll shut up. I need to stop cursing. We're working. Yeah, goals. You gotta stop cursing so much in 2020. You gotta watch your mouth. Seriously. But that's a part of you. No, we won't set that as a goal. In 2020, you need to push yourself to do more social activities. You have to make friends this year, okay? You really have to make friends in 2020. That's one of your goals. You broke off 2 friendships this year, which you don't have a lot of friends, so you need to stop doing that in 2020. You actually gotta make more friends. But I mean, if somebody's not doing any good for your life, for your relationship, for your well-being, then you definitely have to cut some people off. And it sucks, but life goes on, and I ain't got time for bullshit in 2020, so keep it going. I wonder if those are the same bitches that are giving my videos thumbs down. And also, travel somewhere new. Go somewhere that you've never been to before. Let me know where and how your experience was. And that's it for this video. Happy New Year, Tracy, and I hope you accomplish all of your goals in 2020, and I hope you're a little bit more optimistic going into 2021. You're such a negative Nancy sometimes. I'll see you in a year from now. Bye!